Biotronics. We're going to open Biosoft Toolbox 4.0. And we're going to start a new scan session. And we're going to wait for it again. It's good practice anyway for people, so be patient, it'll get there. Okay. EXAPad settings is successfully loaded. Push stream to get it pushed over here. Next animal. And we're just going to put in 15 for an animal number. Then we're going to scan the arm. And when we have a long enough loop, freeze that. And we can either freeze with F or we can freeze with a properly programmed freeze switch. I'll probably just cut my arm over there. You can cut that out. So once we have this, the progress bar is put up here, and we can scroll back through that either by using our mouse, and we can click on it and just scroll it backwards, and we'll see everything that we've scanned the last 500 images or so. Or you can use your arrow key and go back and forth with it. If you want to go forward, you can go forward. If you want to go backward, you can go backward. And then once you get to an image you like, capture it. Scroll back farther if you want to capture multiple images. If you're doing IMF, capture that one. Scroll back a little farther till you get a good image that you like. Capture that one. And so if you're doing IMF and you wanted to do 4 images, you have 4 separate images taken from the buffer. The buffer, when we go to unfreeze this image, the buffer will go away. It's just temporary storage. And so the progress bar goes away, and we're back to live scanning again and back for the next animal. We'll just put 2 in that one. Scan the arm again. Flip it around. So freeze.
Voiceover.
And then we can do that again. Get a progress bar. Capture. Back up a little bit more. Capture. Back up a little bit more. Capture. And capture. So again, this is a great new feature here that we have built into the software, because we do now have the software built into the scanner itself. We can't use the scanner's Loop, but we have a buffer built into it, so it's all incorporated.